Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of paper receipts? Tired of manually entering every purchase into your accounting software? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Xero and answering the burning question: can Xero generate receipts? In today's digital age, businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. One Accounting is no exception. Xero, a popular cloud-based accounting software, has gained immense popularity for its user-friendliness and powerful features. But does it have the capability to generate receipts? That's what we're about to find out. Addressing the core question, the short answer is yes, Xero can generate receipts, but it's not as straightforward as simply clicking a button. Let's break down the different ways you can generate receipts in Xero. 1. Bank feeds. Xero integrates with many banks and financial institutions. This allows Xero to automatically import your bank transactions. When a transaction occurs, Xero attempts to match it with a corresponding invoice or bill in your system. If a match is found, Xero automatically records the transaction. However, if the transaction doesn't have a corresponding invoice or bill, Xero will create a bank rule to categorize and record it. These bank rules can be used to generate receipts for things like purchases, receipts for everyday expenses like office supplies, meals, and travel, sales, receipts for customer payments received through various channels. Tip: regularly review and reconcile your bank feeds to ensure accuracy and identify any discrepancies. 2. Manual receipt entry. If you're unable to use bank feeds for a particular transaction, you can manually enter receipts into Xero. Xero provides a simple interface for entering receipt details, including date and time of purchase, vendor name, amount, payment method, expense account, attachments, photos of physical receipts. Once entered, Xero will record the receipt in your system and categorize it accordingly. Tip: utilize the Receipt Templates feature to quickly enter recurring expenses like rent or utilities. 3. Generating receipts for customers. Xero allows you to generate professional-looking receipts for your customers. After you've invoiced a customer, you can easily generate a receipt to acknowledge payment received, provide a record of the transaction for your customer, comply with tax regulations. Xero's receipt templates are customizable, allowing you to add your company logo, contact information, and other branding elements. Tip: send receipts to your customers automatically via email to save time and improve customer satisfaction. 4. Utilizing Xero's mobile app. The Xero mobile app makes it incredibly easy to capture and record receipts on the go. Simply take a photo of the receipt with your phone's camera. The app uses optical character recognition, OCR, technology to extract key information like date, vendor, and amount. You can then review and approve the extracted information before it's automatically entered into your Xero account. Tip: utilize the app's expense tracking features to categorize and track your spending effectively. 5. Third-party integrations. Xero integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including expense management tools like Expensify and Zoho Expense. These integrations streamline the receipt capture and entry process by automating data entry, providing advanced expense reporting features, improving data accuracy, and reducing manual effort. Tip: explore the Xero app marketplace to find the best expense management solution for your business needs. Beyond basic receipt generation, Xero offers advanced features that go beyond basic receipt generation. These features include expense claims. Create and submit expense claims for reimbursement. Mileage tracking. Track business mileage and automatically calculate expenses. Foreign currency transactions. Easily record and track foreign currency transactions. These features provide valuable insights into your spending habits and help you make informed financial decisions.